Hey y'all, it's your girl D. So listen, I love cleaning my house. I love decorating, and I just thought I'm gonna start taping myself. Yes, I do sell digital products, but I'm going to be releasing an ebook, and it talks about home organization, right? And so I thought, you know what? You can talk about stuff, but people like to also see you walk the walk. And so I'm cleaning one of the restrooms in my house that needs to be repainted, etc., etc. But right now, I'll just show you guys my bathroom real quick, right? Just a little bit of it. So here's a nice little picture that I have right there. There's another little picture that I have right there. There's another one. The other one fell. The frame broke. I love starfish, and so that one's a sand dollar. It will be hung up again, reframed. But if you can look at my walls, they are cream. They're not white. And they do need to be repainted. And toilet, some things in here. And so, with that being said, when you clean your house, do what you can do, right? I have carpal tunnel syndrome, and I have carpal tunnel, and I've had surgery in both hands. Um, you know what? No, actually, I have to take that back. I had surgery on my right hand almost 10 years ago, 15 years ago. And then I had canceled the surgery for the carpal tunnel surgery, to help alleviate the pain in my left hand, but I canceled it because the pain was so intense that I was like, I'm not going through that again. Did it help me? Well, I just went to physical therapy and it helped alleviate the pain somewhat. Okay, so with that being said, so there's some things that like just are a lot on my hands, like cleaning blinds. But anyway, so when you're cleaning your toilet, there's some cleanser in there. When you're cleaning your toilet and your floors, invest in something, a good mop or some form of a Swiffer, I think that's what they call it, or one of the brushes. I actually have one of those brushes that it really, scrub, one of those electric ones that I got off of TT. And it works well. But do the best you can with the time you have and with the tools that you have to clean your home, right? You want to keep your house clean, fresh. If you don't have a lot of money to spend, and I know times are like really difficult right now for a lot of people, listen, go invest in some vinegar, get you a couple of fresh lemons, and just white vinegar, a few lemons, and then maybe some lavenders, something that you can afford. I mean, do you, but you can mix the vinegar with some water, squeeze some lemon juice in it, and you can clean your whole house. At least leave a clean scent that you just spent under $10 for these things, right? If you want to add lavender to it, you go to Sprouts or Whole Foods, get you some fresh lavender and put it inside your spray bottle so that as you're cleaning, your home smells good, right? And doesn't have to cost you a lot, doesn't have to break the bank. So anyway, with that being said, I'm going to start doing segments on cleaning the house, right? I have a few walls that need to be repainted, but do the best you can and keep your house clean the best you can, especially if you have young toddlers running around or fur babies. And then put those products away from them where they can't reach them or get hurt from them, right? I know my lighting is horrible in here. I'm looking at it, so I will do better with my next video. But again, start where you can. Get what you can afford, put, like I said, get some vinegar, just some distilled vinegar, white vinegar, and then get you a couple of lemons, squeeze it in a bottle with some warm water, and start cleaning your home. If you don't have a lot of money to get other things, right? Start there. Then when you can afford other products, maybe Pine Sol or whatever the case is, do so. But listen, again, if you have toddlers and fur babies, keep the chemicals up where they cannot get them. And if you have cats, remember your cats climb, they're climbers. So you got to make sure you keep your products tightly locked and put up so when you're not home that your fur babies are going to be home and alive when you get back home. Okay, and so with that being said, and your human babies, of course, right? So make sure you got them baby locks. So use those even when you have fur babies too, because they get in, they're curious and they get into stuff too. Okay, so my name's Demetria. Go buy Money Meat. Thanks. Subscribe to the channel. Hit all the buttons. It helps me out. And I promise I'll do better with the lighting on the next segment, okay? Thanks. Talk to you guys later. Happy Friday.